Good morning, good afternoon, TEFS Guidance Room, Master Room. Welcome everyone, welcome team. Hi Clifton. Yes, thank you to remind us for the last days of the sale, of the end of February sale. I just I just posted the packages there if you are interested. So welcome everyone in another bumpy day of the market. Yesterday we were on the sidelines, especially the market. As you can see, it was a really quite of a dodgy day with lots of choppiness indeed, and the slow movements because everyone was waiting for the Nvidia earnings traders, and it's out yesterday after market close. We just got a Nvidia earnings release, which actually, you know what? Let's just check the pre-market and after market because it was not quite obvious which direction the Nvidia is going to choose. As you can see, it started down. After that, it's just pumped higher to the 135 dollar level. Later on, even in the pre-market, it started to go lower under the 130 level, but now again, it's just got the direction higher, 2.19% to the upside. So what happened with the Nvidia and what does it mean for the market? Because everyone was, expecting the Nvidia to be the savior of the market, whether it's going to happen or not. Well, first of all, I would say mission accomplished because it's not going down. But second, it was not a very strong numbers, but some concerns as well. So let's see what happened on the NVDA. Hi, Brian. Good morning to you. If you have any problem with the sound, please just let me know. My voice quality is still not the best, traders. Unfortunately, I have to get back to my doctor to get an antibiotic, so I don't know what, because it's just not getting better. Also, I hope it's going to be okay in the next 2 hours at least. So let's just get back to NVDA. So NVDA expectations, it was definitely high, but indeed it was a nice beat. And even it was a beat driven by the AI demand, but actually the NVDA and especially the CEO as well, they just warned of rising competition from the Huawei, from the DeepSeek on the AI demand, and so on. You know that this is still a concern and it stays a concern. So I think that was one of the reasons why the investors were not completely astonished by the numbers. And the second, that okay, that the sales center data center sales were higher, and video revenue jumped 93%. So beautiful numbers, as I've told you. The CEO, Jensen Huang, called the demand amazing for the Blackwell AI chips, and even the CFO, Colette Kress, highlighted its record fast adoption. So this is beautiful, very good news. Also, on the other side, the networking sales just fell 9%, and even the gaming revenue dropped 11% to $2.5 billion, missing the forecast. So this was the little a shadow on the sky of the NVDA. That's why we could not see, like, for example, 10% jump or 20% jump on the news, as I've told you. Also, again, the numbers, they were quite good. And seems like that this was just the start for the NVDA, because on the 17th of March, there will be a GTC event kicking off, and this is going to be the next big catalyst for the NVDA. So it seems like maybe the investors were not jumping immediately to these beautiful numbers, but they are still waiting some days, actually until 17th of March, because the GTC event is going to be the next catalyst, looks like, for the NVDA. Hi, Miguel. Thank you. Yes, every day it's a little bit better, but still not back on the track, unfortunately. Hi, Lee. Good morning to you. So for the newcomers, I was just talking quickly about the NVDA, that it beat the numbers, but there were some shadows as well regarding the gaming revenue and networking sales. So now the Nvidia looks like it's just saved the market from continuing lower, not like Trump. Guys, Trump is back with the tariffs. European markets are deep red because now, of course, after Canada, Mexico, and China, here comes Europe tariffs on the table in the White House. Seems like because he just threatened the European market with a 25% of tariffs as well. So it seems like traders, the misery is back on the tariffs. And I've just read actually before we started that the futures just turning negative after Trump says tariff is going into effect, and this is about the Mexican and the Canadian tariffs are going to be effective from the 4th of March, and even 10 more percent tariffs are coming for China. So good news from Nvidia, bad news from the tariff side means market just started to push back a little bit if we just check the SPY. And actually, traders, this is a very busy morning, not just because of the Nvidia numbers are digested by the tech sector and the overall market, but and not even the Trump tariffs, but even some economic news released already, like GDP, which was better than expected, but the unemployment claims and durable goods orders, not really. The unemployment claims just jumped to a 3 months high. So this is signaling some softening economy, which is not a really good news for the market. So lots of news to start the day with. As you can see, the SPY just moving accordingly, started to the downside after that a nice jump, but after this lots of news out, especially economic and the Trump tariffs. Since then, it's just pulling back. So let's be careful. The Dow just turned negative. So very bumpy, very choppy market again. Traders for the start, seatbelts on, and let's see what kind of other news we have on the table. Okay, if you have any questions, of course, as usual, please just drop me an email or a private message in the master room. I'm just going to put here my email. And of course, if you are interested in any TEFS packages, then I am here to answer today's as well. All right, traders. So, first of all, I hope that you had a beautiful green day. I'm always telling you how was all day in the TEFS guidance room on the YouTube. Beautiful green. Thank God it was a fantastic day. Hopefully today it's continued. I have this week 3 in a row green, only three, or actually just two because on Monday I was not trading. So hopefully this is going to be the third green day in the row. This is the 27th of February, traders, last trading week of February. That means that some window dressing it's going to happen as well, because as you know, I would say there will be still big names, not huge names, but big names releasing earnings like Dell after market close. But I feel like the earnings season is getting to the end now. This is one of the reasons because why I think that there will be a small window dressing, and especially tomorrow I'm going to be extra careful. Last trading day of the month, last trading day almost of the earnings season. And as you can see, lots of news are just hitting the market in the recent days. So cautiousness is very much necessary in our trading. All right, traders, as I mentioned, Europe is falling down, especially because of Trump EU tariffs news, and auto slides 3% indeed. What else here? Nvidia, of course, as I mentioned you, good news. Meta says it fixed an error after Instagram users report a flood of graphic and violent content. Ouch, doesn't seem like Meta is just got tumbled on any news actually. Yesterday it was one of the best call of one of the trader in the room again. Indeed, Alemu just called it to the upside, and that was a fantastic Meta trade indeed for a breakout. So that was, I think, one of the best trade of the day. And as you can see, it's just made a huge, like more than $10, $15, even almost 20 indeed, run to the upside. As I see, it just pulled back for the end of the day, but Meta is still going to be on my watch list. Meta and Netflix, they were quite strong yesterday. Nvidia, as we could see, it was quite distracted by waiting for the numbers, but today it's starting strong, so this is going to be on my watch list as well. The rest of the tech stocks. I took Amazon yesterday, which was a nice winner indeed. I'm still going to watch it on my watch list, but I'm going to be careful, especially if the Nvidia cannot hold the green. So far, as I see SMCI, it is in the red, and Apple among the big tech names. Well, SMCI is not that big name, but actually it's one of the celebrities of nowadays trading. Okay, traders. Also, the SPY and the triple Q are still in green. As you can see, the SPY is up at the moment 0.39. Triple Q 0.75, so very nice strengths on the triple Q. Also, again, lots of pre-market news already, so let's be careful. Regarding the economic news, this was not the not the all of the news which was released with the GDP, unemployment claims, and core durable goods orders, because 9:15 we got FOMC member Schmid speaking, 10 o'clock pending home sales, and FOMC member Barr speaks. And traders, the afternoon looks like it's not going to be a boring one, because 11:45 Barman speaks, 1:15 Hamak speaks, and 3:15 even FOMC member Harker is going to speak. So really busy day on the economic and the news front. But let's see what kind of big movers we have. Not only Nvidia released the earnings after market close, but even Snowflake, CRM, and a lot more. So these are going to be my candidates for today. I'm just starting my candidates list here. If you have any questions, any candidates for today, traders, please just let me know in the chat. I'm just going to start with an NVIDIA long and to the short side and secondary. All right, so Nvidia, as we could see, is just pushing higher. Freeport McMoran, FCX, it's a nice winner as well in the pre-market as an upgrade. It just got an upgrade for a buy by the Jeffries. So FCX, I know some of you like this stock trading. It's not my absolutely favorite stock because sometimes it's just not moving enough, as you can see. But at the moment, it's quite strong, nice for a continuation. And also, we need to break the 40 as well to see a nice green day. But looks like a great candidate to the long side. So FCX, we can just put it to the long side. eBay is the next one, which is down 8% after the first quarter revenue guidance came in short of the expectations. Actually, I don't know when I just traded eBay last time. It was like, I think, years ago. Usually it's not on my watch list actually, but today might it's going to be because it looks like as a great short candidate on the eBay. All right, next one, Snowflake. As I mentioned you, very nice numbers, 12% to the upside. So let's see if Snow can just extend this beautiful move but it started in the pre-market. On the daily, it's on the 188.25 levels. It's quite close, not that close, because what I see that it's getting close to the yearly high. Actually, this is definitely true, but this is still like $7 to go until it's just reaching this one. $94 area. Looks like as a great strong one. Let's see whether it can stretch towards to this $200 level. I like Snow to the long side. And here comes CRM, which was not that lucky in the numbers. As I've seen last time, it was a little bit down. Now it's making a nice comeback, a nice consolidation on the CRM. Also, it's posted a fourth quarter revenue that missed along with weak guidance. So mixed news on the CRM. I'm going to be careful with that. Also, I love the daily if it's staying over the 200 EMA and especially the $300 level. That can be an interesting play even to the upside. At the moment, it is still weak, 2.66%, but I'm not going to be surprised if it's climbing back over the $300 level. I'm going to watch it just because of the fact that this is into the negative territory in the pre-market. I'm going to call it to the short side, but be careful with the CRM again because this is a mixed news. Mixed news means that it can turn easily from negative to positive as well. Okay, Salesforce. So I just called it to the short side, but I'm going to be careful with that. TDOC, AI is here as well. Teladoc Health, which just got some loss. That's why it's just moving lower at the moment, a lot actually, 12%. It is under $10 level already, very close to the yearly lows, as you can see. So I'm going to be careful with that, but this was lower before as well. So I suppose if this sell-off going to be continued, then we can see a great short opportunity on the TDOC. Hi, Jennifer Scottby. Good morning to you. Good morning to everyone, YouTube traders. If you have anything on the list, please just let me know. And again, I'm just repeating myself. If you are interested in the end of February sales, which is still 2 days, then this is the link to watch the packages, really good sales options at the moment. I'm in promotions with more than 20% as well as a discount for the bigger packages. And in the meantime, by accident, I just closed my candidates list, so I'm just going to do it quickly. So CRM, I called it to the short side. TDOC, I'm going to call it to the short side too. And here comes AI. AI, mixed news as well, rather worse than better. As you can see, it's down 6% at the moment, bit extended in my opinion, back to this $24 level. It just reached a stronger support on the daily on the 24. So I'm going to watch it. The exact numbers looks like that. So again, as I mentioned, it's lower, but the numbers, it was quite mixed. I mean, the news, because the company just released a better than expected quarterly results, but C3AI notched a loss of 12%. Share on the revenue, while analysts pulled 99 million, which was like 25% of a loss indeed. So that's why instead of going higher, it's just pushing lower on the AI. But just like with CRM, I'm going to be careful with the AI too. Hi Todd, hi Dor, good morning to you. Okay, I was just talking about the Nvidia in the beginning, that it made a nice crash on the numbers, but there are some shadows as well regarding the gaming revenue and networking sales just fell down. So that's why you can see the Nvidia strong, but not super strong so far. eBay, yes, Raspi, I would say, just because this was one of my short as well. eBay, I'm going to watch it because it can move nicely on Newsday, and this is definitely a Newsday for the eBay. I'm going to watch it, but not going to trade it at any cost, okay? So yeah, I would like to see a little bit higher volume too. All right, traders, what else on the list? Here is Nuantix as well, and TNX. Nutanix, it is a cloud computing stock, 16% higher after reported a fiscal second quarter adjusted earnings of 56 cents per share and revenue 655 million. That was enough to push the NTNX. 14% higher, pre-market volume 200, on the daily a bit extended with that big gap. Well, let's see if it can just push higher on the NTNX. Snowflake I was mentioning already, which is to the long side. And let's see, Sweet Green, the next one, a select chain, which is just 11% lower. This is a big miss on the Sweet Green on the numbers, a bit extended on the daily, but it still looks like it's a weak one. At the moment, pre-market volume okay, 8% lower. Let's see whether SG just can push the price is lower, at least the sellers indeed. Okay, sterling infrastructure is here still. FCX I mentioned as well, which can be a great to the long side. Sterling infrastructure, which is 5% higher STRL, and this can be a problem with the volume. Let me just check it. STRL pre-market volume, which I am interested in, yeah, very low. So STRL just to the secondary list at the moment. This is not enough to put it to the first candidates list. Okay, traders, the same number of the long and short candidate looks like it's a good one. And in the meantime, already Scott released his candidates list. From mine, I'm still going to watch SMCI too. SMCI is just dropping again. Good morning, Davida. Nice to see you. So SMCI at the moment is down like more than 2%. So I'm going to put it to the secondary list. And coin traders, because Bitcoin just slipped under $84,000 level. Now it's just bouncing back. Let's see whether coin can make a bounce with the Bitcoin together. So that's it for me today, traders. Here is my list for the master room traders. YouTube traders, I'm just coming to trade with you as usual until 11 o'clock. And I wish a good luck for the master room traders. Have a beautiful green day and see you tomorrow, guys. Okay. GP, good morning for you. Good afternoon, actually. For me, it's afternoon as well. I'm just putting my long, short, and secondary list candidates and traders. My ultimate favorites for today, it's CRM. Definitely CRM, I like it. PLTR, which was not a big mover yesterday, but I'm still going to watch it. Snowflake, I like it, traders today. Snowflake, CRM, TDOC. What else we should watch? If you still have anything on the radar, please just let me know. I think we should watch Meta too. Yesterday it was a beast, actually. Crazy, crazy big move. Excuse me. And please don't forget that at 10 o'clock, we're still going to have some economic news coming, pending home sales only, but even an FOMC member coming and speaking. So Nvidia, I'm wondering whether it can push higher. Coin looks like just yesterday, it's starting a pullback with this pre-market moving higher. So I'm going to keep an eye on coin too. TDOC, which I mentioned, I still like it. MU was strong yesterday, so we should keep an eye on MU as well. SMCI PRTR, it's a must. And what else? AI, which I still like. AI, I'm going to put it here. And maybe this SG2. So AI and SG. Okay. All right, just delete that here. Hood for a long Alamo, yes. Hi, Banzai, nice to see you. Hood was a crazy mover yesterday as well. Let's see whether today it can continue this move higher. I agree, it can be a great one. I don't have enough charts. I just need these monitors. I just plan to buy 2 more in the weekend, but I just could not get it because of this nasty virus. So Hood, I'm just going to put it here. And traders yesterday, by the way, I don't know if you've seen, mRNA just made the move. I did not take it, but today as well, I'm going to watch mRNA. Would I really like it? I'm wondering whether PRTR can do any move today, but this is strong as well. PRTR 2.87%. Roblox is still strong on my list. AFRM, UPST, Meta, Amazon, as I mentioned you, both of them. DKNG pushing higher. Tesla finally 1.36% higher. Shopify strong, Google almost 1%, Oracle, Dell, traders, Dell is going to release earnings after market close, so we can watch even Dell for today. And on the red side, what I did see, it's PDD, Apple, Baba, Pepsi, and Nike, which are quite weak on my watch list. Seems like that maybe on Baba we can see finally some profit taking day, so we can just watch this as well, if, especially Under the pre-market lows, it can be interesting. Okay, so Baba, under the pre-market lows, I'm going to watch it. Meta is here, and that's it. For the newcomers, I'm just repeating myself that the numbers of the Nvidia yesterday, we made a poll whether you think it's going to go higher or lower. Well, it moved higher. So most of you, by the way, you will voted, including me, that it's going to jump. Very nice numbers. Also, not on every field, like gaming field and data sales center sales, it was not the best, but indeed the rest, it was quite of a nice one. And Nvidia is still going to have another big day in March on the 17th. The GTC event is going to kick off. XOM, not yet, Lee. Actually, I was not checking the oil stocks, but I know that oil just reached some new lows. Now, as I see, there is some pullback on the XOM. Daily chart looks interesting, especially if it can stay over this 110 level. We can watch it if you like. And today it's natural gas storage as far as I remember, so no crude oil inventories, it was yesterday, but let's see how the oil, if it can climb back a little bit. And by the way, the market is very volatile in the pre-market already, because not only because of the economic news like GDP numbers, unemployment claims, and durable goods orders, but even Trump got some news on the tariffs. And the newest updates are European Union will get 25%, seems like, and sorry, and the tariffs for Mexico and Canada, they are going to be, and China as well, they're going to be effective from the 4th of March already. So this is just causing some fear again on the market. That's why we could see the SPY to pull back a little bit, and even the Dow Jones, the Dow just turned to the negative territory. So let's just be careful, because that was definitely not a good news for the markets again. Okay, traders. So XOM, yes, we can just have it on our list. As I mentioned, my ultimate favorites are Snow, CRM, TDOC, PLTR, NVDA, 2, AI, as well as G. TDO states here as G. I'm just going to put it there. And Meta I'm going to watch for sure, as yesterday it was a nice mover. Maybe coin as well, but as you could see, I'm not a huge coin trader. Like it can be really, really crazy, so be careful with that. And NTNX, maybe I'm still going to watch it as well, like Nuantix. Also, the gap was quite big on this NTNX, and it's starting with a big gap. And seems like, excuse me, Scott favors AMD. I do check MU because MU was a much better mover yesterday, but let me just check AMD. He just called it over 106 on the in the pre-market already, like over 106. He thinks if it's going to push back higher, then this can be the reversal day for the AMD. He called Nvidia over 135 and TDOC under 950 for a nice short. All right, traders, less than half a minute to start trading today. Good luck, everyone. As I mentioned you, 10 o'clock we will get some more news like pending home sales plus FOMC member speakers. So let's be careful at 10 o'clock. But seems like that the market is starting green. Big question after this nasty tariffs news. Is it able to stay to the green side, especially the SPY, because the triple Q is quite strong, or so Apple doesn't look good again. And the Chinese stocks are pulling back too. So we should watch them as well, especially the BABA for maybe for some profit taking. Okay, so AMD, let me just check MU. Good morning, DVG2. He just greeted the master room. All right. Oh, DVG thinks it's going to be a sideways moves on the market. I hope not. We need direction, market. Come on. Well, let's see how big threat was this tariffs news again for the markets. And I'm a bit afraid of these FOMC member speakers as well, because lately the message was not really nice from their side. Like even they mentioned rate hike, not rate cut, because of the sticky inflation. So let's see. Okay. CRM, nice pullback. TDOC down. Snow. Wow, Meta. Look at this Meta, guys. I've told you, it's just unstoppable. Uh, DVG is talking about mRNA too, by the way. Just thought that mRNA is creating a bird flu vaccine. That's not a good news. Hood over 52, checking. Hi, Tara. Good afternoon. Good luck to you as well. For me, it's an open range break. I know. I don't trade that strategy, Alamu. So if you like it, you can get it for a scalp definitely. Scott is shorting TDOC 920, maybe. He was thinking on that. I'm watching CRM. How about Snowflake? How does it look like? It's just consolidating. Yeah, Amazon Meta on my watch too. Tara, I completely agree with that. Tesla pushing higher, Nvidia pulled back. MU, wow, that just does not stop. AI pulling back, and TNX is down. SG looks interesting too. Scott buying LCID 235. You like these lower price stocks nowadays. SG, it's a bit extended on the daily. This is my only problem. TDOC nice, it continues, but I did not have this beautiful gap and go option here. SMCI, nothing. mRNA pushing lower, interesting. Nothing yet on my side, guys. Tesla pushing higher. Snowflake. Snowflake though. SPY triple Q consolidating. Yes, guys, Snowflake can be a gap and go, but smaller share size indeed, and only over 186.70. AVG only checking. Just a sec. I'm just calling this no for a gap and go play. 180, 186.70. Lower share size, please. Stop loss under the lows. It's still very much in the beginning of the day. And checking AVGO. Oh my God, that's just a nice gap. I'm going to watch it, okay? Actually, yes, 186.70 still. Oh, mRNA is just going down. Okay. Sure. Actually, SMCI looks like as a gap and go, but I just don't trust this short too much. DVG is going to long coin over 221, 221. Yeah, looks like as a good one actually. Not bad. Stop loss is quite big on the snow, so be careful with the share size, guys. 73, 186, 73 is going to be my entry there. Tiriosi stuff. The PLTR looks like as a great breakout. Yesterday we took it, guys. You remember? Ah, no, but looks great. PLTR for continuation. Sound issue, Kathy. Thank you for helping. How about now? I know my voice is terrible, but hopefully the sound is okay. Let me just check my OBS here. No, based on the software, it's okay. Please let me know, traders, if the sound is not okay. Hmm? Mark already called the PLTR 192.50 in the pre-mark or on the, yeah, traders, let's just try this PLTR over 93.50, 93.50 PLTR just for a scalp. 93.50 PLTR. Thank you, Kathy, who just put back. And SPY breaking out. Interesting. Come on, PLTR. The stop loss on the PLTR traders is under 92.40. I want to take a partial around 94. 94. CRM looks like it's a great gap and go play, but be careful with CRM. It was a mixed news on the CRM. You feel bearish on snow, Sometimes it can be okay. I mean, it can be a good decision, Tara. Yeah, that's not nice that it could not make the move over the Viva. Maybe we will get a better entry there. SMCI made the gap and go, you see. I was a bit afraid of that stock there. SPY is breaking for new highs. Triple Q cannot too much yet. PLTR, hopefully it's not going to be a false breakout. I really like the volume there. I'm going to watch TQQQ if the market is turning around, traders. And in this case, we can have a nice trade if the things are turning around again. Come on, PLTR. Don't miss us again like yesterday. You are in the XOM checkingly. Nice. It still looks even good over 110 maybe. Okay, PLTR is back, traders. Let's go for this 94 for the first partial there, if we can see that at this time. Amazon, it's making the same move as yesterday. I'm canceling the snow. Tara, you were right. And maybe we will get a better entry there. PLTR, I don't like this hesitation again. It's not nice. SPY, triple Q. SPY seems stronger than the triple Q in the mean of price action. Nvidia pulled back. Apple doesn't look that good either. So because of this, it's just making the longs harder. XOM looks really good. Leave for a continuation. Wow, Nvidia is dropping, guys. 130, it's on the horizon. So it seems like that's not a good news. And SMCI, because I was a bit influenced by yesterday good news on the SMCI, I was not that brave to take this beautiful gap and go play, but it worked out fantastic. Tesla still strong. Amazon, though, it's going back to the lows as well. Apple, nice pullback. I don't know if it can make this move here. SPY triple Q, especially the triple Q, just made a big red candle. I was still not ready to take this TQQQ, but if it's going to make a continuation pattern, I will be there for sure. So far, no entry yet on the TQQQ. Deking, if you took it, good luck. Amazon giving up. Coin is giving up too. I know DVG is still holding that stock. Snow pushing lower. I'm still holding PLTR, but last chance here. I will never ever take it for a breakout over the high again. It's just not working by PLTR, looks like. And from a strong market, we are slipping to a weak market again. Wow. How about Baba? And I'm out. Ah, I hate starting with a loser. So much hate starting with a loser. PLTR is out, guys. TQQQ you did miss? Yeah, me too, unfortunately. I thought I still have time to call it under 79.50. Shame on you, PLTR. Hmm. It was perfect reversal on the on the daily. Look at that, market just ruined everything. Not good. TDOC nice if you took this in the beginning of the day. CRM still pushing lower. SMCI already on the $46 level. Nvidia is lower too. Crazy. SPY triple Q continues lower, and unfortunately, the TQQQ has not given any other chance to join. And I was not quick enough to call it on time under the 79.50. Overall, market traders is just developing a very ugly move to the downside again. Meta touching 675 to Amazon down, coin down, mRNA pushing back, Nvidia is still pushing, Snow, so everything just taking a big dive, traders. Nice decking. Yeah, I should have just jumped, but this is not a planned trade. And I've seen it's just going through my entry there, actually. Okay, guys, I'm just going to check the week stocks here. Yeah, XOM is still going. I'm watching it. Nice trade. And the market, guys, it's just out of the blue. It's just falling off the cliff, falling off the cliff. Wow. It's too late. I'm just checking everything here, though. I mean, the weak stocks. In the meantime, we have enough. UAL, DLTR, everything is down on of the cliff. VRT. And here comes 515. By the triple Q, and 595 can be a make or break for the overall market here. Snow, Tara, yes, me too. Really big drop on the market in the meantime. Seems like even SMCI, if it's breaking the lows, it can be a continuation lower. Ugly. Going to watch Baba for a possible short here too. mRNA is dumping. Yes, level 2. Yes. And also, I was afraid rather on the Apple side, and look at Apple is just trying to make a nice reversal there. Let me just check AI here. AI holding nicely, but Nvidia still looks weak, and traders, I must tell you, even this SMCI looks like as a continuation. It just broke down. And if we break down 77.80, at this time I'm going to be in the TQQQ, but only under 77.80. Even if it goes back to the VWAP, we can take a reversal there. But now let's see if there will be a continuation on this market, which can be easily, by the way, because that was a really, really ugly drop. mRNA completely failing. Also, this now it's making an attempt for a reversal, as I see. $180 can be an interesting reversal there. TDOC pulling back, so if you are still in a short, you would definitely take a partial. Amazon continues lower. Nvidia trying to make a reversal here too. SMCI, no continuation yet. Okay, SPY triple Q stubbed, I would say, going sideways. If we got continuation, I'm going to take this TQQQ to the short side. PLTR stubbed too, not even mentioning snow. Did not take the reversal here. NVDA, nice try, really nice indeed, but might it's still not enough. Amazon, really big drop. How about PayPal? Okay, guys, this is still unknown. I mean, the overall market not unknown because it's just falling off the cliff. I mean, the continuation. If we do continue, I'm going to get TQQQ for sure. And what I'm watching is APP traders. Applovin, which is very close to the lows. Daily though, it's an inside day. So the market from green to red. Ouch. That one doesn't look good. Okay, let me just check my watch list here. Hood is still strong, but pulling back. Mara 2, Roblox. Wow, Roblox big drop. PLTR breaking down again. Not nice. Visa strong, financial stocks are strong. I'm just looking around like JP Morgan, look at that. Amazon a bit extended in my opinion. SPY triple Q are on the lows. Yes, it's very tempting actually. Yes, the QQQ is in. I want to see a 77.50 50 for a partial there. SPY triple Q, make or break. Here we go. Oxy checking in. Nice bit late for me, but I'm going to watch for a great entry. No entry yet for me here. Okay, traders, here comes the TQQQ. I'm ready to take a partial soon. 75% of my share size. TQQQ. Here it was, 55. Nice. Nice drop. I just took it, and I'm going to put my stop loss on TQQQ to 77.85. 77.85, okay? That was a quick one. And seems like there is still no reversal, Tara. Wow, PLTR, what a drop. Ugly. And the overall market too. Watch out, maybe this TQQQ was just a quick scalp trader. 77.85, I'm going to be out with the rest. Crazy. What a big drop out of nothing. I think it's the tariffs, guys, and the Nvidia and like everything else indeed. So one winner, one loser so far. And the big question for the market, whether it's going to be a reversal here or the party is over for the bulls. SPY triple Q, fighting on the lows. Applowing, I just missed it. I was focusing on anything else. But actually the snow looking like a possible reversal here. Not the Amazon yet, Tara, but I keep an eye on Amazon too. It's a bit extended in my opinion. And or TQQQ still continues trader. That means that if it's breaking down to 77.20, I'm going to take my second partial here. And the market does not stop. Beautiful TQQQ. Okay, traders, I'm just taking my second partial on the TQQQ. And really big drop on the overall market. Wow. Okay, traders, SPY triple Q, big red day, and looks like it just does not stop at all. Amazing big move to the downside. And Nvidia does not stop either. PayPal is down, Nvidia is down, Amazon is down. Only Oxy is going up, and I guess XOM too. SPY 594, 511, 512 on the triple Q. Crazy big numbers on the drop. And the QQQ stop loss is going to be 77.20 traders, and let it run 77.20 and just let it run. Looks perfect here. Yeah, Leo, it's just like that, right? Some crazy fear triggered again by the tariffs, and it's just making a big move down. Amazing. Really crazy. I agree. Okay, traders, TQQQ stop loss 77.10 now. 77.10. Great move. SPY triple Q a bit extended, but seems like the bulls are just still sleeping, or I don't know where are they at the moment. Baza, you want to short Nvidia now? I think everything is so extended. Doesn't mean it cannot go lower. I would be careful here. Huge red day so far, traders. Doesn't seem like it wants to stop at all. And there is still a continuation. Okay, traders, big green, really big green move on my TQQQ. That's definitely a green day so far. Also, stop loss is going to be 76.80. And that's a bit exaggerated move in my opinion. Nice banzai, well done. I'm just holding my TQQQ at the moment. Very big move to the downside. Crazy. And SPY continues lower, traders. Amazing. Wow. That's not normal. 510 is going to be reached by triple Q soon. Stop loss 76.50 now. 76.50. On my TQQQ, I just let it run. 76.55 is going to be my stop loss there. And the market does not stop, traders. Wow. No bottom reversals, please. No bottom reversals because everything looks like it's just game over. 510 broken by the triple Q. And 510, it's a quite of a strong resistance there, so, or a support, sorry. It should stop now a little bit. 76.55, I'm out on the TQQQ. And watching for the next crazy move on the market. And 10 o'clock in 1 minute, we will get the pending home sales coming. Which one? 213? Yes, maybe. Tara, it can be a good one. It seems like the market's still not done. Wow, that's crazy. SPY triple Q, another red move to the downside. Amazing. Be careful. It seems like it's still not done, this big drop. That's insane. Wow. Yes, and our TQQQ traders, it's a huge winner so far. And the SPY triple Q, it's a big one way ticket day at the moment. I'm still holding my TQQQ stop loss 75.60, 75.60, and the market doesn't seem like it wants to stop at all. That's crazy, wow. Okay, so 75.60, it's my stop loss on the TQQQ. Big winner so far. And I would say the market is extended, but the market does not care about being extended. Okay, traders, that's a historical crazy day again on the markets. A big green day because of the QQQ. So I am happy, but actually that's just wow. Okay, Tara, maybe now on Amazon or so I would buy it only over 212.70, something like that, and just for a quick scalp, nothing else. I'm still not sure it's the end, traders. I mean it. It's when we have such a really strong sell-off, uh, you can just guess it, but usually it's crazy. But I'm happy that we could have a beautiful winner on that with TQQQ. And look at that market again. One green candle, one red candle. Crazy. Okay, triple Q second green candle. That's quite of a good sign because we can have some reversals. I did not take this Amazon, but I'm out of the TQQQ traders, and let's see how this market is going to decide here to make a rollover or a bear flag, or we do continue a bit higher now, because that was a very exaggerated move to the downside, in my opinion. I really hope you got participated in this TQQQ trade. CRM looks like it's breaking down now. Okay. And Nvidia is coming back too. If you took this Amazon Tara, I would take like a 50 cents quick partial and then let's see. Okay. Nice pullback on the market. Also, I'm not sure that this is still the end. Again, it's just everything is so crazy here. Let me just check Baba and the rest. Baba was nice under the lows. PRTR was nice, V reversal as well. Okay, guys, if you took Amazon, Tara, here is the partialing point, beautiful. And let's see whether we can have a V-shaped reversal. Today, I don't think so. I think it's going to roll over at one point of the day, maybe. Maybe now. That was it. I'm just checking what to short if we are going to make a turnover here. Um, hmm, maybe Nvidia, but for long, maybe snow can be interesting if we continue higher, even Amazon still, in my opinion. Overall market just stopped after several green candles there. Let's see. Very ugly day so far, traders, for the overall market. SPY is down 0.41%, big red day. And if it's breaking or rolling over now and goes back to the lows, I think we can retake it, this TQQQ either. I'm wondering what Nvidia is going to do here. Amazon as well. Crazy, crazy, crazy big red day so far. I mean, not in percentage wise, it's not that bad, but you know how I mean. How about Apple? Wow, Apple is not happening to the market, guys. It's just breaking down now. Okay. I like the PRTR volume in the green candles. I'm going to try it for a scalp over 80, 88, 40. And market is, though, looks like maybe it's going to roll over, so let's be careful. I just like the fact that the volume in the green candles, it's growing. The volume in the red candles, it's lower, so that's good. At least so far. It can just change. Amazon still looks good. If you took this Amazon over this 1270, my stop loss would be now 212.50. And let's see if it can break the 213.40 to over 213.40. I think it can be a nice reversal too. Everything depends on the bulls and the market traders, whether it can make the reversal there. Or it's just going to roll over here and everything is off again. Okay. Market is trying hard, guys. Okay, here comes the PRTR not in yet. If we get in, I would like to see a partial around 89. Nice Amazon continues too. Next partial around 214. Very nice Tara. Yeah, that was a good one. Let's see if it can get back to 214. Market is pushing a bit higher now, which is good. Okay, PRTR in. Just before 89, like 88, 90, I'm going to take my partial. Here comes Amazon for the second partial, 214. Yes, Tara, hopefully it's going to run. Nice comeback on the market, but again, I feel like it's still a bit weak. Okay, guys, Amazon second partial if you took, and PRTR, I still need 20 cents to go. Nice, Amazon. Great comeback. Yes, Leo, as always, this 595, it's always a hard number to break. Break or make. Nice trade on Amazon. I hope PRTR is not going to give up here. No first partial yet. But back to the entry at least. SPY triple Q continues higher. Nice, Amazon, beautiful. Now, Tara, really, let it run. What a crazy day, guys. Unbelievable. Really. Here comes the make or break for the market. Reason for that, both of the indices touching the VWAP. Nice comeback on the TQQQ as well. We should just have flipped the coin, right? Wow, Amazon, beautiful. Go, go, go. This PLTR doesn't want to go, guys. I'm not going to risk my money second time on the PLTR. So if it's not going to do it now, which doesn't look like, I'm going to be out. 74, 70, not bad. It cannot break the 80. It's not good. And the SPY and triple Q, it's in the risk of rolling over on the VWAP. Oh, no. PLDR. So I'm going to be out under 88.35, okay? So very small loser if it cannot do the move, and I am afraid that it cannot because of the market. It has a chance to roll over. Also, as I see, most of the big tech stocks are making a nice comeback here, including Apple, Amazon, even Nvidia is trying. PayPal, great. I'm going to watch PayPal for a long later on if this continues. Out now, nice, Tara. And as Leo just told, 595 can be a problematic level for the SPY to break for sure. Oh, PRTR, come on. This 70, it makes a problem here, 88.70. SPY triple Q still making nice green candles there. Okay, traders, here is the PRTR finally, 75% off. I could not wait, this 88.90. 75% off, and I'm going to put my stop loss to 88.35. Hard stop loss 88.35. So far, two beautiful winners, one ugly loser on the PRTR. And Tara, I would put my stop loss to under 213 or 214 and then let it run this Amazon. Very nice comeback. PRTR next partial around the 90, like before 90. Very nice comeback. But now we need to break the 100 EMA. Ah, you are completely out, Tara, on the Amazon. Okay. Still holding only PLTR traders after this nice V-shaped reversal. Market trying to push over the VWAP and towards to this 595 level, but still in a little risk of a rolling over. So let's be careful here. That was a surprising big sell-off, and I'm very, very lucky that I could catch it with the TQQQ. Actually, crazy. Okay, Spina is forming a small consolidation, which means might we will get a continuation as well. Raspi, which one? eBay checking. Yeah, I'm going to watch it. I'm still watching this snow traders. If we do continue higher, maybe this 182.75 can be an interesting continuation pattern there. PayPal too, by the way. I'm watching PayPal traders over 72, 72.28. But for that, market should not fail here. So I like PayPal traders. PayPal is going to be my next trade over 72 and 28. Stop loss, it's under 72. Did you, Leo? I hope you are nicely into the green side. SPY tried to break through this small consolidation, but still not the real deal. Nice. Well done. Nvidia though rolled over. That's not a good news for the tech stocks. PayPal, I still like it though. Let's just be careful here, traders. SPY triple Q is still in a consolidation. I'm still holding PLTR and ready to take PayPal if it's breaking through the 72.28. PayPal stop loss now is going to be 88.60. 88.60 PayPal. SPY triple Q, come on. We need a decision here. Just taking a little bit too long here. And seems like it just cannot break it through. That's not good. PayPal is still holding the consolidation better, and that's good. Even Amazon, by the way. But I feel like the market just got tired again a little bit, and this can be another time for the TQQQ maybe under 76.45. Let's see. Because the SPY has not given up yet. TQQQ neither. Let's just check it. Okay, PayPal is in traders. Let's go for 72.50 for a partial. Ah, a nice breakout on the trip or the SPY and the triple Q, but now we should just break it and break it and break it. SPY, come on. Nice continuation on the PLTR traders. My next partial, as I've told you, is going to be 89.90. 89.90. Come on, PayPal. What a V-shape reversal on the SPY. I just can't believe that. Amazing. Okay, 20 more cents to take the second partial on PLTR. Nice. Okay, traders, I'm ready to take one more partial on PLTR. Stop loss 89, 88.90 and let it run. 88.90 and let it run. Here is the 85. Beautiful. Thank you, PLTR. SPY triple Q. What a comeback. Amazing. Guys, I'm taking it here on 80. Just market is starting to be crazy here. Okay, come on, PayPal. 20 more cents here. So I took my other partial on PLTR. And let's see whether the market can continue even back to the highs. Seems like so far. Oh, PayPal. Mm. PayPal stop loss, it's under 72. Snow still not strong, could be good short. Yes, you are right. I thought if it's making a nice consolidation pattern here, might over 182.60, we can take it for a long, but no. And you know what? I've just realized that the volume is quite low, very low on the snow Tara. So I agree. I think we should just not touch it today. Oh, PayPal, come on. Scott just shorting PLTR under 89. I'm going to be out under 89 from the long. Mm. But that was a very nice winner on the PLTR. Also, I feel like if it's breaking the 90, we can climb back to 93 to 93 easily if the market goes as well. What a nasty overreaction we had on this market. And PayPal, shame on you. Come on. 71.95, I'm going to be out. Oh, come on, PayPal. Hanging on a thread. Nvidia is not strong either. SMCI, I'm wondering what SMCI is going to do here, especially on the 4650s. But so far, actually, traders to give back the hope for this overall market, the SPY needs to break the highs. It just needs to break the highs. Crazy. Meta nice comeback too. Just go to the 2-minute candles. I just forgot again. Nvidia is weak. Apple, just going to put it instead of TDOC. TDOC not doing anything anyway. Apple, nice comeback too. Also, now it's again a decision point on the market. We're still holding PayPal traders, but doesn't look that good, unfortunately. It made a nice comeback, but this is not enough yet. And the market just stopped and looks like it's just turning around again. That's not good. Apple looks much stronger though. What a crazy day. My goodness. Okay, traders, I'm still holding PayPal. I'm still holding PLTR last shares. PLTR is just coming back to the $90 level. Also, it doesn't look good on the volume side anymore, the green candles. We ran into key level of 590. If we don't hold, we're going back to 595. I completely agree, Leo, and I think we will. Actually, there is a big chance that we will. But let's see. So far, it's an amazing V-shaped reversal on the market. Question whether it can hold this and continue. Ah, SMCI broke out. That's why I was watching it. Nvidia is still not moving at all. PayPal is back, but still not my favorite. PLTR slowed down completely, unfortunately. It needs to break 90, which is not an easy level to break. Leo, so that means that we should short the market all year long. in my opinion, in this case. Yeah, market is pulling back, traders, be careful. Because I don't think so Trump is going to stop talking about tariffs. This is his favorite subject after Elon and Dodge, right? Crazy, crazy. Okay, guys, be careful with PLTR and even with PayPal. PLTR, if it's breaking under 89, I'm out. Yes, he did. Maybe you missed my pre-market session. I was just mentioning that the European stocks got down because of that nasty news. Yeah, exactly. And just before the start of the day, he mentioned that the tariffs for Canada, China plus 10%, just just like so. Because I said so, kind of crazy. So for Canada and Mexico, it's going to be effective from the 4th of March already. So it's crazy. Maybe Leo, you don't know what's coming next. And this uncertainty is the worst for the market. It's even worse than fear, in my opinion. Yes, Cathy Snow was a really big gap, and Tara was right. It was better for a short. Okay, traders, I'm still holding PLTR, but I'm afraid that might is going to get out under 89. Market pulling back towards to this 595 level already touched. And even the triple Q is pulling back big time now, like back to the VWAP, even under the VWAP. So this can be a rollover for the market, but still be careful. I'm still holding both PayPal and PLTR, but I'm not quite satisfied with this PayPal at all, fortunately. 88.95, I'm out of PLTR completely. Market is fighting here. And PLTR out of PLTR, traders. Scott just flipped the coin. He's going short here, PLTR. And PayPal still holding, but not my favorite anymore at all, fortunately. Nvidia is pulling back towards to the lows as well. And I'm out of PayPal. Ouch. I did not need that loser now. Still green thanks to TQQQ big winner and PLTR, but this PayPal was nasty. Okay, SPY triple Q under the VWAP. Question again whether it's going to be a continuation lower or it can make a reversal here. So far, I agree with Leo that the market is very much under a nasty selling pressure. So I assume might we do continue lower if we break this little consolidation there. And thank you. Small green, it's perfect. Well done. Happy to hear that. Yeah, that was like a very busy day so far. Only 1 hour into trading, but that was like a very surprising big move on the market. And as I've told you, I think we go back to the lows. Amazing. Okay, how is your day so far, traders? If you want to share with us. Have two winners, two losers, but my winners were bigger than the losers, thank God. So nothing to complain, especially TQQQ saved my day completely. So how is on your side? This paper was a ugly surprise. Could not make this nice intraday breakout. Look nice though. And yeah, we slowly going back lower. Very small green. Banzai, very nice green, good. Green is green, even if it's small or big traders. Of course, we are happy for a huge green day always, but even if it's a small green, it's still good. Green only hood and TQQQ Alamu, well done. Green Leo, good. Wow, it was a big move again. It's okay, level 2, small red. Okay, nice green, snow and Amazon, well done. Yes, snow was a really good short. You see, Tara, I'm not always right. It's impossible to always be right. And green, very good. Traders, you're good. I'm really proud of you. It was not an easy day, and you could have got into easily into a trap with this ugly market. Thank you, Tara. Okay, well, I think I'm not going to take more trades like that. It was a bit, not over trading, but I feel like if I would continue trading now, I would go for over trading. Nah, look at this PayPal is just coming back. I don't care. However, the market is still unreliable, traders. We have a big V shape on the SPY. Triple Q is just a half V shape. It needs to be back over this 515 level, 516 to be like a proper V shape here. Also, I think it was a bit not extended, overreaction. Overreaction indeed, because we got some good news, bad news today. So nothing. Um, Okay, the tariffs. Yeah, the tariffs. You can say that the tariffs, but this I think not enough to see such a uh, out of the blue big red day for the market. And look at that now, everything is coming back. So PRTR, I'm out. Uh, PayPal, I'm out. If you are still holding PayPal, that's good. It's back to the entry. Let's see if it can go back to the high of the day. Crazy day, really crazy day. I am expecting the continuation to be crazy as well. So I would be really careful if you are staying trading. And as I mentioned you, there will be lots of FOMC member speakers, 11:45, 12 something, then 3:15. So lots of FOMC speakers all around. Market's still crazy. Look at that big green candle pushed back, but so far the bulls are making or doing a hard time to take over the lead here on the market. Well, let's see if it's going to be successful for the bulls there. Meta, it's a cup and handle too. SMCI making a consolidation there. Nvidia pulling back. Amazon, not that much at the moment. No, Leo, actually in the master room, it is just until 5 or 11, sometimes 10:30. But as I mentioned you last time as well, here in the YouTube room, we are planning to make the afternoon session as well. Lunchtime, I think we are going to skip it, but I'm planning to get back someone who you liked for the afternoon sessions because I know we have or I have a lot of traders from Europe who likes trading the afternoon sessions and sometimes they can be really good indeed. So this is the near future plan that we are going to expand the YouTube trading room for the afternoon session as well from, for example, I don't know, 1:30 till 10 or 4, sorry, I'm always speaking in European time, so you know what I mean. But lunchtime, I don't think so. I think we will just leave the lunchtime. Lunchtime is the hardest to trade, in my opinion, especially for the starter traders. And even if you check the time for most of the traders, especially for the ones in Europe, you can just have a chat with your family to have a nice dinner and so on, and you can get back around 8 p.m. for trading. So I think this is a quite of a good schedule for the day. No, Leo, Mayor for sure, but hopefully the one who I would like to reach out is not retired yet. Okay, traders, in the meantime, market just tucked completely. We really need a break over this constant consolidation to see the next step, the next move from the market. I still like though this PLTR over this 90, what was the high here? 90.07, so 90, 90.10, 90.15. Even Nvidia is climbing back. And look at Snow. Wow. It's showing some strength, not too much though. But I feel like the market just can fall off the cliff again at any time. It's so scary. Tara, yes, yes, he's doing great. From time to time we are speaking. He's the manager, marketing manager of Cormax now, next to trading. Did you, Leo? I'm sure it was really good. He's a very good trader, Yogi. No, he's not doing any more coaching, I know that. And Meir is doing really great as well, enjoying life, being with his grandchildren. It's nice. And traveling, he loves traveling. Who doesn't like traveling? Okay, guys, market still completely stuck. I think it needs a little rest before the next decision indeed. Yes, very much. He's sailing every year, I think from May till September, October. So a lot. Okay, traders, market is moving higher again as I see. But I still think it's not out of the woods yet. I mean, the overall market, in my opinion. Nvidia is trying hard here as well, but just cannot break this 50 EMA as I see. And now it's rolling over. What a tricky market, guys. Be careful if you are going to stay trading. Still can be a nasty surprise on both directions, actually. CRM, nice comeback. Hmm. Scott still likes PLTR for the short side. Call it under 80, 89. I don't think so. He took it though, because he just wants to recall it. But market bulls are still trying. Volume though, it's lower. This is what I don't like to see actually. Yeah, he just called it under 89.50 for a short on the PLTR. Just broke. But I missed the volume from the PLTR breakout. So if you took it only for a scalp, quick scalp indeed. Market big red candle, but again, it's just pushed back immediately. So strange. So the SPY is completely undecided at the moment, traders. As I mentioned you, we really need to break, I would say 596 again with the SPY and 514 with the triple Q to see a continuation higher or this consolidation low to see it to move lower again. PayPal completely stuck, no move at all. And the rest of the big names too, like look at Nvidia, it's just doing the move with the market and going sideways. JD, it's not on my list, Banzai. Let me just check it. Oh wow, yes. How about Baba and PDD? Oops. Nice, Baba too. Look at that. This V-shaped reversal on the Baba. Amazing. CPLT are trying again. SMCI back under the VWAP. This Nvidia is so weak today, traders. Unbelievable. Apple shows some strength as I see too, but the market looks like might is going to roll over here, especially if the SPY is breaking 590, 594 again. Well, it's over, so let's be careful here. I'm wondering whether if the market is going to roll over again, then TQQQ can be a possible short under 76.30. Yeah, 76.30 looks interesting there. PayPal coming back to 71.90 again. Crazy. Okay, traders, so maybe that can be a great plan if you're staying trading this TQQQ under 76.35. If you like it. To the long side, I cannot see any chance, especially if the SPY goes back and breaking 593.50s, and the triple Q is very close to break the 510.60 again. That means it's another nasty drop for the market, so be careful. But on my side, I'm not going to take any more trade. I think that was enough for me. Nice trading day overall. Also, this PLTR just treated me first. Second trade was a good one. And seems like that the bears are still stronger on that market if this consolidation is going to be broken. TQQQ, I would not take it before this 76.30, 33, something like that. Watch out with this one. And I think I'm just going to call it as a day. Please don't forget, if you have any questions, just send me an email regarding TEFS packages, challenges, anything, trouble with trading. I'm more than happy to help you. And if you like the stream, just click on the thumbs up, please. And don't forget that we still have this fantastic end of the month promotion with great, really great prices on the packages, especially on the bigger packages indeed. And you can just check out the website, which I hope I'm going to find it. Here we are. Just going to repost it. Okay. So if you feel like we start with the packages or starting with the packages, we are more than happy to help you. Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful rest of your day, a green one at the end. If you are in green, you know in profit, then protect your profit because more FOMC members, speakers coming might they are going to ruin the mood again. So let's be careful. And anyway, this market was completely crazy today. Let's see what we can expect for tomorrow. Thank you, Banzai. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Tara, Leo, Alamu, and level 2, everyone. Have a great rest of your day and see you tomorrow. Bye.